Welcome to lesson 4. Today we are going to create our project from scratch and work on requirements.txt file. So let's start our activities by creating a project. For that, typically what I do is the following. Opening terminal, then once it's loaded, then navigating to where I want to have it. For me, let's see, Pycharm projects, and here I'm doing mkdir. It's Windows basically, and let's name it Streamlit New Prediction. Okay, folder is created. Now what I'm going to do next, by the way, this is the original project that works for me, and here I'm going to open it. Okay, let's go back, Pycharm project, and it's Streamlit New Prediction. We're opening it, we want it to be open in a new window. Get the information about the interpreter, but we'll change some. So to do that project, we have the virtual environment where all the dependencies and all libraries will be created and all the actives starting. Okay, Python -m venv. Our virtual environment should appear here. And once it appeared, we will activate it. Perfect. Scripts activate. If you are using Linux, of course, this will be source venv bin activate. Great, our virtual environment is active. Now what we are going to do, first of all, we agreed to have, where is it? Yes, this is it. The requirements.txt stocks, SP500 stocks. This one, for now, we don't need it per se. Stocks.txt, I'll share the stocks.txt, this top 100 companies from SP500 list, and .env. We will cover requirements.txt and stocks.txt. I will add stocks.txt as an artifact to this lesson, so you will be able to use the same list as I do. Now let's create our requirements.txt file. Okay, new file, requirements.txt. Okay, it says the requirements file is empty. Now let's go one by one with what we want to have here. We will add comment stock prediction system dependencies. First, we want to enlist for data science libraries, which includes pandas, numpy, and scikit learn. Okay, now let's check, or not, let's wait for it. Let's wait to complete it, and then we will install all of them. Next is our deep learning, because we are going to use some models that require deep learning. It is TensorFlow and it is Keras. And while we have the subject, let's immediately set up our virtual environment. Pycharm correctly from the very beginning. We are going to project, Python interpreter. This one is invalid. We want to add local interpreter. Select existing and we'll browse here to select the virtual environment from this project that we just created. Streamlit, new prediction. There we are. Virtual environment, scripts, and Python exe. There we are. Okay, it's 3:13. Now it should be available, should appear here, basically. And once it's done, we will proceed to the next step and continue. After deep learning, we will work on time series stats model. Apply. And okay. Yep. Next, data visualization, because we want this project results, predictions, evaluations, all of it to be displayed in a nice web form, which Streamlit can be good enough to use. It will be Streamlit and it will be Plotly because we are going to use some charts. Next comes the data fetching, because we are going to acquire some historical data, and API. It will be requests and it will be Python.env. After that it will be model persistence, which will be job lib, and last but not least, for utilities, we are going to use Python date utility. Okay, all done. Now pip install if I'm not wrong, requirements.txt. Let's try without this. Okay, let's install it here. Install machine packages. Tasks, fixing, updating Python interpreter, and it's the dependencies. This might take a while because we are going to install libraries, and none of them is pretty small actually. Now it's installing pandas. Next it will move to NumPy. So while installation is in progress, let me share with you the. So basically you can see here list of stocks from S&P 500 and Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Berkshire Hathaway, United Health, and basically all the big companies that are more frequent interest of investors who are looking for some long-term investment. So this will be our stocks.txt. While this is on, I will just make sure to copy this into our project, and again